Former U.S. President Donald Trump said that the U.S. might take over Gaza and control it. He also said that Palestinians should leave Gaza and move to other countries. Many world leaders do not agree with this idea. The White House later said that if Palestinians left Gaza, it would only be for a short time. But many countries, including Egypt, Jordan, and the United Nations, still disagree with Trump's idea. Some people also worry that his words might make everything in Gaza worse. Why did Trump say this? Gaza has been badly damaged after 15 months of war. Many buildings are destroyed, and people do not have enough food, water, or electricity. Trump believes that if Palestinians leave Gaza, it can be a better and more beautiful place. He called it the Riviera of the Middle East, meaning a nice tourist area. He thinks this will create jobs and business opportunities. But many Palestinians do not want to leave. Gaza is their home, and their families have lived there for a long time. Why are people angry about this plan? It is against international law to force people to leave their land. Many Palestinians have already lost their homes in past wars. They do not want to leave again. Arab countries do not want to take millions of refugees because they have their own problems. The plan does not offer a future for Palestine as a state. What is the situation in Gaza now? Before 1967, Gaza was controlled by Egypt. After 1967, Israel took control of Gaza after a war. 2005, Israel removed its soldiers from Gaza but still controls borders, airspace, and trade. Many countries recognize Gaza as part of Palestine, but the U.S. does not.
Question 1.
Which verb is closest in meaning to recognize in the sentence? Many countries recognize Gaza as part of Palestine, but the U.S. does not. A. Accept. B. Ignore. C. Forget. D. Change.
Question 2.
Before 1967, Gaza by Egypt. A. Controls. B. Controlled. C. Is controlled. D. Was controlled.